In this video I'll be demonstrating a feature that has been in the game for a while, but it didn't 100% work, so I went through and made sure it worked on all the trucks. People don't know this, a lot of people don't know this, but you can go in first person view inside or outside of the truck and interact with some of the switches. For example, the ignition switch, the master light switch is up here. So our lights come on. The parking brake. You can even toggle some of the specific lights on the light bar or on the truck itself. So example, if you read the thing, it says warning upper, warning lower, so we'll turn off the warning upper and you'll notice that the SLR is turned off. We still have our bottom lights though. We can turn those back on and turn off the bottom lights. I'll get in the truck, it'll make this a little easier. We can toggle the headlight flashers, which are on the front of the truck. We turn those back on. See, our headlights are wig-wagging. But yeah, the parking brake is an additional one I added. But it's just this light panel right here. The ignition switch and the parking brake is below the steering wheel. So there is another layout for the older trucks. I'll show you guys that real quick. So the buttons are pretty much the same. Your ignition switch is on the bottom here. You got your master lights. You can turn off all these specifics: the brow lights, the wheel well lights, warning lights. So these are the brow lights. These lights above the wheels. These are the wheel well lights. The brow lights are above the windshield. These orange lights. So we can turn off those things individually.